Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about why you can't find wholesale suppliers. I get this question pretty often, people messaging me that they can't find wholesale suppliers to save their life, and what's the problem? What are they doing wrong? What issues are they running into that are leading to this result, okay? And there's three main reasons. There's three main reasons why people are having trouble finding wholesale suppliers, and it's very, very simple, okay? Make sure to stay until the end of the video, because the third reason is by far the most common reason why people can't find wholesale suppliers. I'm gonna clear that all up for you guys at the end of this video. But like I said, I'm gonna give you three different tips, and the first one is that you don't know how to find suppliers. I get asked all the time, how do I find wholesale suppliers? People think that once they know how to find wholesale suppliers, that's it, their business is done, their business is made, they don't have to worry about anything else. But finding suppliers is only one piece of the puzzle, but it's a very, very large piece, obviously. But one of the biggest reasons is that they don't know how to find suppliers. They might be trying on Google, they might be trying one or two methods, but they don't really know a large amount of different methods to help them find different suppliers, so that when one method stops working, they still have other options to start looking for suppliers in other areas that you may not be able to find with just looking on Google. Okay, Google is the method that everybody uses, but you're not gonna find all the suppliers on Google. So it's very, very important to know multiple different ways to finding suppliers. I think I know 13 or 15 different ways of finding wholesale suppliers. So you really wanna know how to find these different suppliers, and it's gonna really, really help you out when you're trying to do your supplier search. Okay, but that's one tip. I'm gonna give you another tip here in a little bit, but remember, stay until the very end. The third tip is by far the most common reason why. So I just wanna make sure you guys get that information, okay? But for right now, you guys know how I start my morning. We're gonna head out to boxing, and then we're gonna get a workout in, and then we'll record some video out there. All right, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. So we just got out of boxing. I got a few clips for you guys there, but like I said in the last video, if you guys haven't tried like waking up and getting some rigorous exercise to start your day, there's nothing else like it. No cold shower, no nothing like that, no meditation, no fucking words of affirmation or anything like that that will get you pumped up for the day, like some rigorous exercise right at the beginning. So if you guys haven't tried it, make sure to try it. Let me know down below if you guys do, and then let me know how productive you guys are throughout the day. But let's get back to the point of this video. The second reason why you're having a hard time finding wholesale suppliers is probably because you don't know how to communicate with wholesale suppliers. And believe it or not, this can make or break a wholesale account if you don't know what to say, the right things to say, how to close an account, or how to get yourself through the questions that they're also that you're looking for, right? That the answers that you're looking for, you need to make sure you're asking those kinds of questions, because if not, you could sign up with a supplier and they might not be what you're looking for, and you just wasted your time. But believe it or not knowing how to communicate can lead to you not getting those wholesale accounts. I'll tell you a funny story. The very first brand that I worked with, I had them in the palm of my hands. I could have worked with them directly, but this was very, very early on. I did not know how to close that deal. I didn't know how to communicate with them properly. I didn't know the right way to go about it, and I ended up losing that account. Okay, so like I said, there's multiple puzzle pieces to this wholesale game. Finding suppliers is one, knowing how to communicate with them is two. So those are two different pieces of the puzzle that you need to be able to have success with finding these suppliers. Now with that being said, we do have one more reason why you may not be able to find those wholesale suppliers, and this last reason, which we're going to get into once I get back to the office, is by far the most common reason why people aren't finding wholesale suppliers. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it is, and I'm going to tell you a strategy to get past that so you can start finding those wholesale suppliers when other people aren't finding them. All right, now that we're done with our workout, let's just head back home. We'll get washed up and get to that third point for you guys. All right, now throughout this video, I've given you a couple of different possibilities that may be the reason why you aren't finding these wholesale suppliers, or you can't find these wholesale suppliers. The number one reason that I have seen in my experience from teaching a bunch of different students, and also having a bunch of different viewers DM me or email me, is the biggest reason why you're not finding wholesale suppliers is because you're not contacting enough suppliers. I cannot tell you how many times I've gotten a message of people saying, I can't find wholesale suppliers. And the only question that I have to ask is, how many have you contacted? The highest number I've gotten is 50. Usually it's between 20, 15, sometimes it was like 30. The lowest I ever got was 5. So somebody messaged me and said they couldn't find wholesale suppliers and they had only contacted 5. You guys can see what the problem is here. You're not contacting enough suppliers. You're not even scratching the surface at those lower numbers, okay? You need to be contacting more and more suppliers to find those suppliers are going to be profitable and willing to work with you, and they're going to be a good supplier for your business. Now, what I think everyone should do, especially when you're starting out, is have a set amount of suppliers that you're going to be contacting every single week or every single day, right? You have that set amount. In the beginning, I remember when I was contacting 5 to 10 suppliers per day. So every single day, Monday through Friday, I was contacting suppliers, and then on the weekend I was building up that list so that I could go off of right in the beginning of the week again. Okay, so at the end of the week I would have 50 plus different suppliers that I had contacted throughout that time frame. Now, I think everyone should have a range. So you can do 50, you can do 100 suppliers per week, and I guarantee you that if you contact 50 to 100 suppliers per week, in no time, you're going to find those profitable suppliers that you can start building your business with, okay? But if you've only contacted 5, or maybe you've contacted 30 over the span of a couple of months, you're not even scratching the surface, okay? You really need to dedicate time to search for the suppliers. But like I said, everyone should have a set amount of suppliers they're going to contact. So let's say you're doing 50 suppliers per week. So every single week you have to contact no less than 50 suppliers. And I guarantee you, if you have numbers like 50 suppliers, 75, 100 suppliers per week, you're going to find a supplier in no time. I guarantee you, you're going to have no issues finding wholesale suppliers. But like I've said many times, this is a numbers game. You need to contact those suppliers. The more suppliers you contact, the better your chances are of finding those profitable suppliers. 5, 10, 15, 30, 50, you're not even scratching the surface, okay? So this is the hands down the biggest reason why people cannot find suppliers is not putting in the work to find them, okay? This takes time. I know it's tedious. I know it's hard work because it takes a lot of time and it's a lot of repetitiveness, but this is what's going to make your business. In the beginning, just contact a bunch of suppliers, have that set amount, and I guarantee you're going to find suppliers. But on a side note, this is my second vlog style video that I've made. Would you guys be interested in me going about a particular day in the life, or my morning routine, or my nightly routine, or my workout routine, or anything like that? If you guys are interested in something more vlog style like that, then let me know down below in the comment section. I want to make these videos super, super valuable, super informative, but also entertaining to keep you guys watching. So whatever you guys want to see, let me know down below in the comment section, and I will make a video about that, specifically more of a vlog style video. So just give me some ideas of what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in that next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.